So here's the quick video of this Hamilton Beach coffee maker. Basically, that's how it looks. You can easily use it with the coffee pots or just with the ground coffee on your preference. You can choose yourself. It also comes with the brew basket basically for coffee ground that you can easily put it in the same spot. Just easily open, put your coffee pot for example, and it's ready to go. Just easily plug it into the outlet, the machine itself, and you can easily brew regular or brew bold for your coffee on your own preference. As well, you can adjust the height of the stand for cup for example, or the to-go cup type of thing. And overall, I think it's easy to just put water, get coffee to go, and easy clean to maintain as well, because you can take all the parts that you need to clean. And I think it does the job, so it's good.